natin ang mananalo sa adult category.
Yes, dahil malayo pa po
Ang
yung
OBR.
kanilang pinaroonan.
Yes.
Kailangan na po natin yung award and nandito na ang ating final results.
So here's the result of the adult category.
May I request our SK Chairman, Honorable Joseph Parquilla, and the Chairman of the Board of Judges, we have Sir Armin Basaysay, to give the cash prize to the winners. So we will have the second placer, first placer, and the grand champion. Alexa, do the honor to award our second placer in the adult category.
Our second praiser for this evening. Who's your dad? Naalala niyo pa ba kung sino yung mga kumanta? Anong that yung number?
Yes, sino yung
Kasi ko
Yeah. Ano yung tumatak sa inyong number? Number? Number 1. Sino pa? May I also request the Barangay Captain o Barangay Busak, Honorable Tibay Vasco, to give the cash prize to the winners.
Okay, here's the second place is you. Contestant number 4, Joeline Barquilla.
Palakpakan to our contestant number 4.
Our second place is opening up. Jacob Lumaka.
Para ayaw ni Shobilin, ako na lang siya, no? Asan po si Miss Shobilin? Okay, our second placer adult category. Come, may I request for your presence to be here. Honorable Divine Vasco. Sino ba ang ating official photographer? Meron po ba? Ayan. MC na photographer pa. Sige, B. Organizer pa. Ayan, I would like to acknowledge, of course, the organizer of this. We have the SK Council, headed by Honorable Joseph Parquilla, together with the SK officials. Okay, let's proceed to the first placer.
Who's your dad? Sino gusto niyo manalo? Ako? Okay.
Hindi ka naman kasali. Paano ka mananalo?
Sa'yo.
Mananalo ka sa kanya. Mamaya, dahil kami na.
Kanino ba?
Basta alam niya na yan. Okay, our first place is candidate. Contestant number 6. Contestant number 6 is Tom
Paul Benson.
from Pulangi,
Albay. Palakpakan pa po.
Sigabong palakpakan. May tanong lang ako kay sir. Yung mga taga-ibang ibang lugar, sama-sama ba kayong pumupunta sa mga or nagmamaritas lang na may ganito? Kasi join tayo. Very good. Okay, receive the cash prize. Cap to the honor po. And our grand champion for the singing competition, adult category, we have contestant number. So, clue, parang may kanta to. Kanta na number. Yes! Kantang number. Okay.
Our grand champion,
For the singing contest, adult category is,
contestant number,
it's you,
contestant number 8, Andre Vasquez.
Okay, we have RJ Vasquez from Uras Albay.
Albay.
Sigapang palakpakan. Kap, could you order po and ask the chairman? Congratulations po. And the consolation prize, you can get the consolation mamaya po dito sa gilid for the adult category. So at this moment, let the battle begin for the dance competition.